wanted to quickly give you a short tour of our main learning platform, which is called Classkick. Students will get a new Classkick code each week, and it will be on the main page of our website. I will also likely email it to you. The first week code is right here. This is a link, so it will take you right to the login page. I've already gone ahead and entered our class code and my first name. I want students to just put in their first name with a capital letter and press continue. That's going to take you to our assignments for the week. Now there are a few tools that I want to make you aware of to help students. Just so you know, we have a daily Zoom meeting at 9 a.m. I'm going to provide the links for them each day in their Classkick. So sometimes students are on Classkick and they struggle with writing. Okay, so for instance, on slide 20 here, we have an assignment to write a letter to a classmate that you've missed them and tell them what you missed about them, what you wish you could do, what you want to do when you see them again. Now, some students might get here and groan and think, oh God, now I have to write a whole page. Maybe they shut down, maybe they have a tantrum. They really don't feel comfortable writing this much, okay? That's okay. They have an option here to go to this microphone tool and add audio. They can respond to the prompt verbally. So let's say, "Dear Michelle, I missed you so much this summer. I miss your laugh. I wish we could play together, and I can't wait to see you for Christmas," whatever it is, right? They record their answer, drag it where they want, and there you go. For some students, this is going to be where they end, right? They just respond verbally and move on. For others, now you have a cool little tool where, oh, I know what I want to say, so I can play it back and I can write what I've said, right? So, "Dear Michelle," and then they might be able to listen and say, oh, okay, I can sound out Michelle, and they can keep going there, and this can help them with their writing. Okay, so that's an important tool. I want students to use this tool whenever they're struggling with writing. There's another tool that I might ask them to use. So for instance, on slide 7, I have an assignment where they need to do some drawing, okay? It says, "Color this house to look like yours." Now, some students love to use the tools in Classkick like this. There's drawing tools here. Other students are not keen on them. It's hard for them to be precise and they don't really like them. In that case, they can draw on a piece of paper and use this camera button. Click camera. That will load their Chromebook camera, so now they can see themselves. They hold up their piece of paper that they've done their drawing on. They click capture, and there you go. Now I can see that they've done the assignment and they were able to do it on paper and just go ahead and upload it without having to use your phone to text me or anything. So I just wanted you to be aware of those two tools. Those are really important scaffolds that Classkick provides that's going to make students' lives easier. Hope that is helpful.